Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of real estate and rental properties. In today's video, we'll be discussing the pros and cons of using a realtor for listing apartments in rental properties. If you're a property owner or investor, this information will help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. Before we dive into the pros and cons, let's quickly define what a realtor is. A realtor is a licensed professional who specializes in buying, selling, and renting properties. Now, let's explore the advantages of using a realtor for listing apartments in rental properties. Pros. Number 1. Expertise and market knowledge. Realtors possess invaluable expertise and deep knowledge of the rental market. They can provide you with insights on pricing, market trends, and optimal listing strategies. With their guidance, you can make informed decisions to attract potential tenants and maximize your rental income. Number 2. Wide exposure. Realtors have access to multiple listing platforms and marketing channels. By leveraging their network, they can increase the visibility of your rental property. This wider exposure means more potential tenants will come across your listing, increasing the chances of finding suitable renters. Number 3. Time and effort saving. One of the most significant advantages of using a realtor is the time and effort they can save you. They handle various tasks such as advertising your property, screening potential tenants, conducting property showings, and negotiating lease terms. With their help, you can focus on other aspects of managing your rental business. Now that we've explored the advantages, let's move on to the other side of the coin and discuss the potential drawbacks of using a realtor. Cons. Number 1. Costs and fees. Hiring a realtor typically involves paying commissions or fees. While these costs can vary based on the agreement, it's crucial to consider them when deciding whether to use a realtor. Be sure to evaluate the potential financial impact and whether the services provided outweigh the expenses. Number 2. Lack of control. By relying on a realtor, you may have less control over the marketing and showing process. You'll need to trust the realtor's judgment and decisions regarding potential tenants. This loss of control can be a concern for property owners who prefer to have a hands-on approach. Number 3. Limited local perspective. While realtors have market knowledge, they may not have the same level of familiarity with your specific neighborhood or area as you do. This could impact their ability to accurately price and position your rental property. If you have in-depth local knowledge, you may prefer to handle the listing process yourself to ensure a more personalized approach. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of using a realtor for listing apartments in rental properties. It's essential to carefully weigh these factors against your own situation and preferences. Consider your resources, property location, and desired level of involvement to make the right choice for you. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information. Please comment below with comments on your experiences with realtors or any other comments and questions.